Hello guys, in this video we will explain the method of removing and deleting all the viruses present in your phone. We will also explain the method of finding all the applications that take from you powers that you do not need for the purpose of spying on you or monitoring you. All you have to do is follow these steps explained in this video before going through the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Let us go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is downloading this application, which you will find a link in the first pinned comment. After that, my friend, you will find its interface in the following form. The application has many features. As you can see here, we have the feature of deleting duplicate files, cooling the phone, speeding up the phone, the game booster feature. The important thing that concerns us today is deleting existing viruses. Therefore, we have to click here on App Scanner now, my friend. A scan will take place, or all the phone and the contents of your phone will be scanned. If you have any viruses on your phone, it will find them, and if you have any applications that take from you permissions and powers that you do not need for the purpose of spying on you, you will find a list of those. Applications, my friend. Now all you have to do is wait. This process may take from 2 to 5 minutes depending on each phone. The important thing is that you will like this application and it will save you from all viruses. I hope you liked the video. For any inquiries, for any problems, for any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video. God willing,